So, here we are again. Oh, this is going to be an addition. Hey, I got the plate up to where I need it to get up to, onto the Timbco. So all I did today was we get it hung up and got sidetracked. It was snowing. I had to go plow snow. Had to do some other things. Anyways, I wanted to show you. And make an admission. I got a problem. It's pretty serious too. And here's the problem. I got this plate and I didn't even notice. They blasted it. Those guys are awesome. It's pre-blasted, so I don't have to grind any scale off of this puppy. So that's a good thing. But no, I'm going to show you how I'm doing one thing here, which is an old piper trick. Like when you're welding flanges on pipe to get them level and square and all that stuff. First you got to level. Obviously in this I got to measure level of machine. I already got my dimension out this way with my spacers, but then you've got these holes that are all parallel to each other. So you just stick some bolts in there and you stick your level on there. And I don't know if you can see it. I can barely see it. Oh, turn the camera right there, Mike. So she's right on between. And then you can come over here and look at the back half, because the other part, and I know the bearing spins on itself, but you can do the same thing here. Look at that. The both halves of this thing they're right on the money, honey. So I got that. Next I got to get this. Let me do this. There, now I can see. That drive line is in there yet, and the one half with the thingamajigger. So I'm going to pull that out. Tomorrow we're going to pull that the rest of the drive shaft, so we got just the yoke back there. So I can get myself a center line. So guess what? I can carry that center line right to this center line. Right here. All I got to do is get my V, centering head, nice stair at 24-inch rule, and lay out a straight line across there. I'm perpendicular here, and then I can take my square and get myself dead center. We like dead center. So, and this is my cheesy little setup up here. But the boom is right there. So we got a chain fall, got a couple of OSHA approved lifting clamps here, and we're good to go. But here I'm going to show you my screw up. Not really a screw up, it's just something you stop yourself and you do it. Bad side to show it on. Let's show it on this side. So I put a nice bevel in there, remember? That bevel though, I don't like it. It's not big enough at the face out here. So what I'm going to do is after I get this laid out where I need to go, I'm going to take the plate off and I'm going to open up the face probably, at least a 1/4 inch. So right now I probably only got about 5/8 of an inch on an inch thickness, and that isn't enough for me. I want to come back another 1/4 inch and get that so I can really get in a root. I'm not going to use the backer bars like I thought I was going to, because I've got this so square, and I've got right now about a 3/32 gap all the way around, and so I'll be able to burn into that. I'll be able to burn a root. You can see my light through there. I'll be able to burn a nice root pass in there. There, it's a little bit big, but I'm not tight. There we are. I don't know if you can see my little tab in there. That's where the shadow is. That's just what I've got it resting against. So, get this out of the way. Up here too. Got my little tab in there, so it's holding it away at the right gap. Kind of like a piper would do. They stick their wire in there, their rod, filler rod. So I'm just going to add this to the video. So we're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Yeah, so I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm going to redo that a little bit. I'm going to make that wider, make it wider. And if you saw this in the beginning, I think I got to drop it down yet a little bit. If you saw this in the beginning, there was a big plate up here that I think that they added later on when they added this extra plate. So I don't think I'm going to do that. I don't think they had a 3/4 inch plate on top. I think what I'm going to do is just lay welds upon I'm going to bring that weld way out to here. So I don't know, things change. So I'm going to add this to the end of that other one and bring you back when we get it all set up and ready to tack on, or get it tacked on and then start welding. So we're moving along. All right. Hope you enjoyed my 6 minutes worth of nonsense, but hope you're learning something from all this. 'Cause every job is a little bit different. So we'll see you later. Tomorrow. Yeah, we'll talk about tomorrow. Bye. See you, bye.